Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today, and on today's video is in partnership of featuring Domain Official page on Instagram. Let me tell you guys, before I show you the goodies that they actually have in their website and their Instagram page, this particular jewelry store has different kinds of style that if you are a minimalist, if you are like a bold, outgoing person, they have the right pieces for you. You just need to go there, check what suits you, and buy and get it. Okay, so I got mostly earrings because I got rid of most of my earrings, and then I decided to wear gold jewelry. So I went for the gold jewelry from their website, and a pendant necklace and anklets and all that. I'm going to show you all those goodies. Like this video, leave a comment so that I know you actually watched this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, I am going to be displaying their name, details, website on the screen and in the description box in case you do not get my pronunciation well. All the information on their website, on their Instagram page. Oh, and guys, they are also on TikTok. The best thing about this jewelry store, they also ship countrywide and worldwide. Do not be worried about your item getting to you. You will get it in one piece, trust me. So I am about to open the jewelry that I got. One of this jewelry, you've seen it with me because it's popping. I'm talking too much. Without further ado, let us jump right in to the video. Very first item that I have is this pendant necklace that I got from them. This is what it looks like. I got a white one. As you can see, it is very white. I'm going to be leaving a picture of what it looks like. And guys, I am sorry, first of all, this particular necklace, it was a limited edition and it is out of stock. It was in different colors, but I am hoping that they are going to add more stock on this because there was in black, blue, pink, white, yeah, and many more colors. I'll just leave a picture right here so that you guys can see. So yeah, this is my favorite neck piece. Yeah, that is what it looks like, and I'm loving how my skin just blends in with the gold jewelry. I really love it. So guys, they have a collection, a spicy collection, and the first collection on this spicy collection is this. This is known as the spicy hoops. They are quite not as huge. I'll say they are very average. I will be leaving a picture and a link to on how to get these earrings. This is the spicy hoops, and then under the same spicy collection we have the mini spicy hoops. These are so cute. I almost wear this every single day. What I'm going to be wearing for this video because y'all are not ready. So this set of earrings is not under the spicy collection. It is a totally different, like, individual earring piece, and this is known as the arrow hoops. These are the arrow hoops. They are called the arrow hoops. They were named arrow hoops, I guess, because of the, I don't know if my camera will focus. As you can see, it has some details along the hoop that are arrow-like pointing. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that. That is why they are called the arrow hoops. I'll be leaving a picture right here for you to see. These are called the arrow hoops, and I love them because they are so simple, yet you know, they have some little details, you know. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. We need to be simple but never basic, honey. Simple but never basic. Another set of earrings that I got is this. This is known as the linear hoops. This is known as the linear hoops. They are very, very beautiful, as you can see, and they were named linear, I guess, because of the lines that are going through, the linear lines that are going through the hoops all around, and it is so, so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to also leave a picture. Up next, guys, I also got anklets. I really love my anklets, more especially when I go to the beach or I'm just casually dressed, you know. Yeah, there are days you just want to wear your anklet and just add details. If you feel like your toenails are not made, the anklet is going to take the focus away from your actual toes. But if you have your toes made and your anklet is also there, it is also popping. So this is what the anklet looks like, and I'll leave a picture right here to show you what it looks like. I got it in gold. I got this because it has a little sweetheart. It has like a little pendant love heart, as you can see, and then it also comes with this. And you actually have to wear these two at the same time. I will leave a picture right here of how you're supposed to wear these anklets, okay? So yeah, these are mine. So I got it in gold, and I also got it in, let me just open this. So I got it in gold, and I also got it in silver. Guys, that is it. Those are the only jewelry that I got. As I said earlier, I will be leaving a link to every detail and information about this particular page down in the description box for you guys to go and check it out. That is it for today's video. I hope you like each and every item. If you did, please leave a comment again. Like this video, all those things YouTubers say, do that for me because it costs you nothing. It's free. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.